What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new video, and today we're talking about JustPlay. I took some advice from a viewer, and a viewer left a comment, so I took advice from a viewer and I deleted all of my data on JustPlay, and I officially updated to the new version, which is the 3-hour cash out from the 24-hour version that I was using for like 8 months or so. So this video is about the 3-hour cash outs. Let's go. So I received 50 cents or 51 cents for over 1.5 million coins on the new updated JustPlay. And when you compare that to the 10k plus coins or whatever I had to get the 62 cents or 61 cents, I forget what it is in the last video, but I'll bring it up on the screen here. What I'm doing right now is I'm going back and checking my balance. It shows 9,449 coins. I did, however, get to go and play a little bit more, which earned 10k coins. But when you compare the two, you're pretty much getting the same amount of coins on either updated version. However, it just allows you to cash out every 3 hours. So when you have to get 1.5 million coins for like 51 cents and you're doing that every 3 hours, it just doesn't seem like it's gonna be like a lucrative side hustle. So when I started these videos, JustPlay was paying out really well, and that's why I made videos to tell people about it. And then once so many people just flocked to the app, they kind of just updated it to where they could manage so many people on the app. And since so many people on the app, they can't pay out what they used to pay out. And that's why I kind of wanted to compare the 3-hour cash out to the 24-hour cash out. And yes, you have more potential of cashing out more money rather than just cashing out 50 cents a day every 24 hours. So you can cash out 50 cents every 3 hours. But who's going to want to sit there and play every 3 hours and cash out only 50 cents? Now I could see if they bumped it up to like $1.50. But 1.5 million coins is a lot of coins just to be, that's a lot of coins to accumulate just to get, 50 some cents. On the plus side, I think the 3-hour cash out version of JustPlay is better because you can earn faster. They pay it out quickly. So when you play Treasure Master now, it pays more coins than what it did before. And so you can earn your coins faster. And there is a 3-hour cash out time. However, I only got to test it out that one day, and this is how much I earned from the one day of the 3-hour cash out. After I had received that 50 cents, 51 cents or whatever, I went ahead and played for another 3 hours, but for that time I only got like 200 something thousand coins, and then I just waited the rest of the 3 hours to see what it would pay out at the end of the 3 hours, and it only paid at 10 cents more. So with that being said, I had to get 1.5 million something coins to get 51 cents, right? Or 50 cents. and then I played and got 200 something thousand more the next 3 hours, and it only paid out 10 cents. So I'm not sure why there is like a huge gap in between there. Like 200 and something thousand coins equal 10 cents, and then 1.5 million something coins equal 50 cents. You're only earning 40 cents more, but you're having to get a million something coins. That doesn't make sense to me. If I could just get 200 something thousand coins every 3 hours and cash out 10 cents, and just, it doesn't make sense. The way that they pay out the coins, or the way that they pay the money out for the coins, it doesn't make sense. There has to be some type of number model that they're following to get this price, or else they're just throwing out money here and there, whatever they think is equal to the amount of coins. I just kind of wish JustPlay would be more transparent and more open about their app. I do want to say one thing though. Now that I did this, I actually know what my viewers are talking about in the comment section of my JustPlay videos. When people are saying I'm getting millions and millions of coins, blah blah blah, and it only paid out this much or whatever, I now get what you guys are talking about in the comment section. I was using the 24-hour version of the app for so long, and when I seen these type of comments, I was like, there's no way, which led me to say there's no way people are getting that many coins unless they're using the auto clicker, which was my fault. Now I actually understand where people are coming from when they test out the app and they say that it only paid out 50 cents for over 1 million coins. I think I just had a recent comment from a viewer saying that they got over 1 million coins and only paid like 50 cents. If I can find that comment, it will be pasted right here. But all the comments that I can find, I will paste in this video, because now I know what everybody is talking about. Now I know what everybody means when they say what they say in the comment section. And for the longest time, I was like, what is going on with JustPlay? Because mine was like, it was completely different from everyone's. And that's why I was dropping videos like on JustPlay like non-stop. Like, I was the 24-hour version, which was the old version before they updated it. I don't know why mine didn't update. It just stayed the same. Even when they rolled out the new updates, mine stayed the same. And I took that advice from the viewer, deleted my data, cleared my cache, ran the reran the app, and it was the new version. So now I know what everybody was talking about in the comment section when they say they got over 1 million coins and was only paid 50 cents. And lastly, before I end the video, as I always do, I thank all of you for watching the video. I can't thank all of you enough. I could make videos and videos without thanking you guys, and for watching my videos, liking my videos, commenting, giving me advice in the comment section, giving everyone else advice in the comment section. If I didn't get that advice from the viewer today, I probably would not be dropping this video, and I probably would not be comparing the two back and forth. But I thought that this video would be a good video idea to show people like what the 24-hour cash out version was versus what they went to now, which is the 3-hour cash out version. And there is a lot of big differences if you sit down and compare them side by side. But if you haven't played the 24-hour version since like last year when it was actually live, then a lot of people won't know. But all of my last videos before this video on JustPlay, they were all the 24-hour cash out version. And with that version, you had to have a minimum of $2 in order to cash out to PayPal. Well, the 3-hour cash out version, you don't have to have a minimum whatsoever. And it's overall, I think it's overall faster to earn because you're cashing out every 3 hours. The only thing that I did not like was having to earn almost 2 million coins just to get 51 cents. And, you know, that was one of the downsides, but I think if you can have the potential to earn like $1 every 3 hours, it should be a decent side hustle for anybody. But that is all the time I have for everybody today. I thank you guys for watching the video, liking the videos, subscribing, and commenting below. Appreciate all of you. And if you guys would like to see more review videos, you can check these videos out in my review playlist on my channel. Yep. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing, liking, commenting, and I will see you guys in the next new video. Peace.